If you want to stop the auto renewal of your iCloud subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can find subscription options. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions, including iCloud. Step 4. Choose iCloud Storage. Find and select your iCloud storage plan from the list. This will open the details of your iCloud subscription. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal of your iCloud subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for assistance.